How to download Telegram files with IDM. So in order for us to get this done, what I want you to do is just open your Telegram app. And then from here, you can just go ahead and basically search for get public link bot, just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and make sure that we are using this one right here, the one that doesn't have any numbers and the one that has this kind of like bot icon here. So I'm going to click this one. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click the start button. All right, there you go. So it says here, send me a document or video file. I will send back download link. So we're going to do that. Say for example, this one, I'm just going to go ahead and forward this one. I'm going to forward it to the bot and I'm going to click the send button just like so. Alright, so after doing that, you have the download link here. I'm just going to go ahead and right click this one and then copy the link. And then from this point forward, I want you to go ahead and basically just paste this on your IDM. In my case, I don't have it installed in this PC, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste it here. But basically, it should be downloadable. So you can go ahead and open it just like so. And that is how you are going to get this done, everybody.